For opening a Hyundai Excel cabin air filters, I'll show you. First we need to go in there and remove these two clips. One is here, one here. I'll show you once I will close. And then you need to be careful while you are moving these two stuff, and then remove your filter. It will come like this in two parts. One is here and another one is here. I've already removed both of them. Now you can see inside there is a lot of stuff lying in there. So I'll open, and then you need to be careful while you are opening the filter here. Here's the another filter. There are two screws. There are total 3 screws actually. First you need to disconnect this connector from here, and then you need to open all the 3 screws, which you can see. One is here, another one here, and the one in the back, which I just removed.